Good morning. David Prokop here with MetalForming out of Peachtree City, Georgia. I'm standing in front of the Schroeder folder, the brand new Evolution series called the DuoBend. This is an incredibly unique machine, first being introduced here at FABTECH down in Orlando for 2024. This is the place to go if you want to see some new technologies. Everyone has the same problem. Labor is the most challenging thing people have to deal with today, and people are coming down to the show to take a look at technologies to solve that issue. This machine is unique as a folder. It has two different folding beams. You have one up on top that makes the down bends. You have one below that makes the up bends. Any of the prior limitations that folding had as it comes to bending metal has been completely eliminated with this machine. We have a machine that's 13.5 foot in length. It's got a capacity of 5 millimeter, which is 0.196 mild steel. And it is able to produce very, very unique shapes, such as this corrugation, where each reverse set of bends is a completely different profile. We are doing it with no operator involvement whatsoever, other than the loading of the flat and then the unloading of the finished part when it is done. The machine also carries 400 millimeter tall clamping beam tools, which is 15 3/4 of an inch. So we're able to go from any part to any part in less than 60 seconds. Again, with no operator involvement whatsoever. Typical output on a machine like this is about 3 to 5 different press breaks, typically with 2 operators each. So right now, everyone has a labor issue. This is the show to go to if you're looking for labor-solving solutions. Come to the booth, MetalForming, one partner, trusted expert, Orlando FABTECH 2024. Next year in Chicago, for the 2025 FABTECH show, we will be debuting our fully automated system, which will completely eliminate the requirement for manual loading or unloading on top of one of these machines. If you can't make it this year, make it next year. If you're not planning on coming this year, change your plans. Orlando's a quick and easy trip to get down to, and take a look at what technology is available here at the show.